super comfortable, you know. I can dance with it. Yes, it's just perfect. So I will also give this pair 9 out of 10. It's very comfortable. This pair costs 90 bucks, so this is just amazing. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do my unboxing episode with you for February 2022. February is a month with so many love in the air. Because February we had the Valentine's Day, we also had the Chinese New Year. But to me, February is a very special month. Why? Because I officially started my tour season with my performance. For a pianist, we always having lots of beautiful dresses, but we also need many pairs of shoes. But I guess for every woman, our best friend should be high heels. You need to learn how to wear a pair of high heels properly. So from university to my master's degree, then I start to develop my own company. I always, when I go shopping, I like to buy high heels. I've got more than hundreds of high heels in my wardrobe. So today, everything I'm gonna share with you is my February collection. They may not be super expensive, but physically I've tried them all and I've wear them. I try to dance with them. I didn't sleep with them, but I know exactly how they feel like. So I think this is a very special unboxing episode. Alright, the first pair of shoes I wanted to share with you, actually they are not high heels, they are thongs. I think in America people call them flip-flops. I really love the name of it. This pair is from Zara and my size is 36. The reason why I pick it is because of the color and also the natural design of it makes this everyday shoes. I can wear that for rehearsal, I can wear that at home, I can wear it at work, and I don't have to worry about what I'm gonna match with it, what am I gonna wear. Even I wear pajamas, they look just super fine and they shine as well. So I just wanted to show you. I've been already wearing that for a week. And it's super comfortable and the price is amazing. I think it's on promotion at the moment. So at the moment on Zara online, you can get it for half price, 50% off. It's such a bargain. So I'll give it a 9 out of 10 for the quality and for the price and for the presentation of this pair of flip-flops. Alright, so this is a new color from Balenciaga and you might see that the reason why I have got this is because of the model. I've been owning this model. I have got a pair of pink, I've got a pair of green, and this is a pair of purple. And the praline purple is the new black, so I really like it. The other reason why I like it is because of when I wear it, I will be at least 7 centimeters taller than I used to be. I can show you, so you can tell that my feet comes to here. And that's basically supporting my height. I will be taller naturally though. They're very comfortable, all right? But there is a small downside, I would say, the price tag. It's not the price will be around 1,000 to 1,500 margin, you know, towards the 2K margin, and it's a bit heavy, so there is a bit of weight of it. Obviously, you're paying a lot of bucks. But the brand, the color, the model, and the feel, you can't really say anything about it. It's just perfect. So I will also give this pair 9 out of 10. Alright, the next pair of shoes, it is high heels finally. Alright, and recently I've actually wear it to my performance for the Breast Asia Festival. The reason why I pick it, obviously, first, I always looking for color. As a pianist, I always want to wear something bright and can attract audience eyes. And also, I want something comfortable as well. You can see, all right? So the wedges here is very thick. Thick means you got high support, even you become maybe 13 centimeters taller, but you have got great support. So this is very important. The only downside for this pair, because I've already wear that for my performance, I can actually tell you is that the length here is not very easy to do, all right? And you need someone to help you, because you imagine you're already that tall and you can't go that deep. So this is a bit tricky, all right? And this pair is from Zara. So the price is not too bad. It's around 250 margin, and I think it's not too bad. If you're curious about how do I wear it for my performance, you can see the picture above. I'm wearing it on the picture because people having very good comments of it. To be able to match with this pair, I have got a very nice dress from Rachel Gilbert. You also can see the pictures, all right, from my performance. This is the dress I had with Rachel Gilbert, and it's green and it matched with our purple pink. It's a great contrast, and on the stage you just be super. And I love the detail for this dress. It has got a big bow at the front, and the back is very simple, traditional back. All right? Now the other pair is kind of casual. It's also heels with maybe, I would say maybe 7, all right? So compare with heels, I will give this pair of shoes maybe 7 out of 10. Now this, I would say this is everyday high heels. Not very high, but everyday heels. I love the design of it. If you look at closer, this is like waves. You have got all those shades, and they buckle it up to the top. And it's very comfortable. You can walk with it. Right? And the heels is not very tall, so you won't feel uncomfortable. Gold is always good, because if you look at your jewelry, they always having the golden touch. So gold can match with any color to me. And for many girls or women, I know you like to wear black, like what I'm wearing today. So I have to say gold is the best mix and match with black as well. It's elegant. I just love it. It's from Zara as well. And the price tag is, this pair costs 90 bucks. So this is just amazing. And look at the details. It's very artistically, you know, approached and collaborate with a sense of designer, you know, ideas. So, all right. So this pair I will give 9 out of 10 because I can wear that every day for any occasion with any dress. So to me, this is definitely a win-win shoes. Yeah. All right, now next, the next pair I just wore that yesterday, last night for the Rolls-Royce function. They have recently launched their first Black Badge Ghost to the public with the VIP guests last night at Howard Smith Wolf's, the Stanley restaurant. And I had this pair of very, very hot red. And when I purchased that online, I read the description for the product. They're saying that the heels is a special technology with a super supportive mattress of your heels. So to my understanding, when you wear it, you should be able to dance with it, right? But my answer is no. My heels were so painful last night. And I stuck with it for 3 hours. I just feel like, oh, when it's gonna be finished. So anyway, leather, good. Color, good. Price tag, not too bad. I think it's around 200, not yet 200. But when we're talking about whether it's comfortable or not, I have to be honest to you. No, it's not comfortable, all right? But I can show you. When you wear it for photo shoot, wow, your legs just looks amazing. But every day, no, I won't recommend. Look. So you can see that basically your feet is going this direction. Vertically, it's 90 degrees. All right? And your legs become super long. Yes? Super, super long. Yes? Super long. Yeah? But comfortable? No, it's not comfortable. All right. So if you want me to give you the mark, I will give 6 out of 10. Now, before I give you the best, my dream shoe for this month, I wanted to show you the second dream I had. Look at this, how pretty it is. All right, I actually wore this for my Bris Asia Festival performance on the stage. It's so bling bling, and it's also from Zara, and the price tag is around 200 to 300, I believe. Yes, and it's super comfortable, you know. I can dance with it. Yes. Super comfortable. I just feel like I can sleep with it, and it's so sparkling. It's just sparkle, you know. It's just, oh. So I actually gonna give this pair 9.5 out of 10. I want to give it 10 out of 10, but I have a dream shoes about to show you, unpack it. So 9.5. If you got some spare money this month, ladies, my fully recommendation, go to zara.com.au. They didn't pay me for anything. Buy this pair. This is the pair that you can wear for your functions, for your performance, for your party, for your single party, for your wedding, anything. And it's for every season for Brisbane, because Brisbane's always in summer. So this is super, all right? Recently, I followed a fashion blogger. You can look at the screen above, the one I followed. She actually crossed with one of my favorite fashion brand, Goldman. They did a reusable campaign, which that some of the Goldman's dress, and this designer from Indonesia actually did some touch and make the dress just looks fabulous. And I started to follow her blog and Instagram, and I noticed that she got this pair of Prada. And I have got a good friend who works at Prada, and I asked her, oh, do you have this pair? She said, oh, it's so quick, it just gone like in a day and stuff. And I was so hesitating whether I should get my favorite color, pink, or I should get the black one, which everybody does, you know. Black is the color that very safe. If you go for black, you will never, you know, say that, oh, this is a wrong decision. But this fashion blogger inspired me. I should still stick with my crazy ideas no matter how old I am. So here it is. I'm so excited to open this box with you. This is my favorite shoes for February, and I guess maybe 2022, and it's from Prada. Are we ready? All right. When you see it, you will see, oh, this is very you. Yes, this is very me. All right, here you go. Chan-chan! All right, you see pink, right? And what else do you see? All right. You also see the height of it, so you actually can see maybe I will be 8 centimeters or 7 centimeters taller. Yes, taller than I used to be. Let's get the other foot as well. All right, this is pink, but it's not those pink like purple pink or pastel pink, right? This is Prada's own color. Here you go. All right. Now, I wanted to tell you why I chose it. First, because of the color. Every time I look at the color, and the color is the first reason to drive me having the, you know, eager to buy it. And the second one is this design. All right. I love the design. It can match with dress. It can match with pants. And it makes you always feel like yourself is very useful, you know. You have the dream of it. We're always a baby to me. And the third one is it's very light. Very light. Look. Oopsie, I dropped. And it's comfortable. I tried it. So I wanted to show you as well, all right? Now, also I wanted to share with you how do I normally to do mix and match. Like, how do I play with this? I've got lots of pair of socks, so this is one pair of socks I have. Now you can choose to wear socks or maybe no socks. So I will use this leg, this feet with socks, and the other one with no socks. Look how cute it is, right? It's got colors. It's super cute. It just makes yourself, oh, so young, like 18. This is my favorite dream shoes of this month, February. It's the color of love to me. And it's very, very comfortable. I can dance with it. I can jump. I can hop as well. All right. I think shoes to us make you shine, make you feel beautiful, make you feel you are young, but also make you feel comfortable. All right. Even high heels, you can be very comfortable, you know. All right. And the price tag will be pretty similar to the sneakers, so above 1,000 margin, but not very, very expensive. Okay. All right. So I hope you like it. Now, lastly, when I wear these dream shoes, I wanted to share with you another dress I had with Ling, because this is their new design for this season, and literally it's for February. I've already wear that for my performance, and you can see the photos. And their pattern for February is horse. Can you see horse? Yes? All right. And it's a very easy to wear jacket. It's loose and comfortable. It's like an everyday jacket. You can wear that everywhere. So I feel like very comfortable. Super. And to be able to match with the horse, they also had this dress. You can see, and it has got a special touch at the back. I haven't wear this yet because I wear this for my performance. So you might all know that Ling is a Sydney-based fashion designer, Australian-owned Australian designer. So I think it's very important for us to support the designers in your own country because they share a story with the country you live in. So I think it's very important. Okay, I don't know which one is your favorite with everything I have shared today, but obviously you can tell that this is my favorite today. And ladies, remember, try to learn how to wear a pair of high heels when you are young, because I think every woman needs to wear high heels. When you wear the high heels, you are confident, you are beautiful, and you are successful as well. So I wish you all very happy and be loved, feel loved in February. And I can't wait to see and share more with you in March. Thank you for watching. Please remember to share my socials, follow my socials, and like or share my videos. Click the bell button on the top to get all the new videos from my channel. I am Vian. I will see you next month.